Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the IPA command. You could also type IP address if you wanted to, but you'll get the same information irregardless. And here we see it's reporting two interfaces on this system. One is the loopback interface, which allows the system to connect to itself using the same protocols and commands that it would use to speak to other systems. And the other is the interface that allows it connect to local systems as well as systems on the internet. Now, if we want to, we can look at a little closely at the loopback interface, and you see it will say in that output loopback, right here, loopback, like that, whereas the other interface will say broadcast and multicast. And if we look at the first lines, we'll also see that they both show up as being up and lower up. That means they're working and that they are connected. And if I wanted to look at just one interface, I could add its name after IPA show, and there's the network interface name, and then I'll just see the information for that particular interface. And you'll notice that we have this valid LFT showing up twice. One is for the IPv4 and the other's for IPv6. And you can see the settings. One says it's up for, or it's going to be, the lifetime. The LFT means lifetime. It should be available for 44,342 seconds, whereas the IPv6 interface says forever. And if you're curious about what 44,342 seconds equates to in terms of hours, you could run an expression command like this, and it would say, well, that's basically 12 hours. Well, that is your tip for the IPA command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.